Well, they didn't start in castles. They started in caves, not because they were chased there, but because the sun abandoned them. 21,000 years ago, during the last glacial maximum, Europe was a frozen wasteland. Ice blanketed most of the land, pushing small human populations into narrow strips of livable terrain, southern France, parts of Spain, Greece. These weren't migrations of curiosity. These were retreats, survival moves. And in that cold, there wasn't abundance. There was scarcity. There wasn't community. There was competition. There wasn't sunlight. There was firelight, barely enough to see, barely enough to breathe. Generations were born and died in caves. The Franchthi Cave in Greece, occupied for over 30,000 years. The Theopetra Cave, showing unbroken human presence for over 50,000 years. Do you know what living in that much darkness does to a people? It trains the body to fear light. It trains the mind to distrust strangers. It breeds a culture of conquest, not communion. This isn't an opinion. This is documented anthropology. Archaeologists have confirmed these Ice Age bottlenecks shrank their gene pools, intensified recessive traits, and shaped behavior. Science calls it the clash model: climate, aggression, and self-control in humans. The colder the environment, the more aggressive and short-sighted the behavior became. You know what that sounds like? Colonization, conquest, control. Let's be clear, this isn't a moral judgment. It's a psychological scar buried in their ancestral memory. A scar that shaped their myths, their architecture, their economies, and their empires. They crawled out of those caves desperate for control, not because they were evil, but because they were disconnected from the sun, from the earth, from memory. So when you ask why they erase, why they conquer, why they fear the melanin rich, understand they come from a culture of ice, stone, and scarcity. We come from abundance, from rhythm, from sun, and now they call us savage? They built their worldview in a cave. We built pyramids aligned to stars. So no, this isn't just about skin color. This is about memory versus amnesia, abundance versus fear, and whether you're still living in a cave or walking back into the light.